Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to start network models. Figure shows a computer network. You will find several connected devices and computers. The network is further connected to the internet. How these devices are connected depends on the design or model used. The most common model is called the client model or server model. So what is client or server model? Right now, there is a central computers called a server. A server stores data that is to be shared by all the computers on the network. A computer connected to a network that is called a workstation. The workstation connected to the server in the network that are called clients. So clients rely on servers for resources such as printers and to access information. Next one is peer-to-peer model. So peer-to-peer model is another common network model. There is no central server in a peer-to-peer network. Each workstation on the network share its file equally with the other. Thus, each workstation acts as a client as well as a server. So let's see. Next topic is structure of a network. There are a number of ways in which network connection can be set up. The physical layout of the connected device in a network, that is known as network topology. Network topology define the paths that the nodes in a network that take for exchanging information. A node can be a computer or other electronic devices such as printer and scanner. Some of the common network topologies are bus topology, star topology and ring topology. Right now? So let's see. Bus topology. In bus topology, a single continuous cable called bus. It is used to connect all the computers and other devices in a network. This cable carries the data to and from each one of them to all other. All the devices are connected in a series to one another. Only one device can transmit messages at a time. A coaxial cable with T connector is used to connect the devices in this topology. Since the beginning and the end of the cable do not connect, a terminator is placed at both the ends of the cable. Next topic is star topology. In this type of network layouts, all computers are connected to a central device that is called the hub. All the information passes through the hub or switch before it can be transferred to the destination. Advantage of the star topology is The failure of a single connection does not affect the entire networks. You just need to fix the faulty connection. The disadvantage of this network is that if the hub fails, the entire network goes down. Next topology is ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected to two other devices, forming a ring. The advantage of this network is that communication flows in only one direction, from one device to other. Because of this, data gets transferred quickly. The disadvantage of this network is that if even one device fails, the entire network breaks down.